Hello everyone, so first of all we'll start by making the pot, for which I'm using 3-ply acrylic brown yarn along with 3 mm hook. Okay, so first of all we'll start by making a slip knot. You can make slip knot in whatever way you like. After making slip knot, now I'm going to make 18 chains. So let's start by chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Once you've made 18 chains, now we are going to skip these first 2 chains, and in this third chain I'm going to insert a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain, bring out the yarn, you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So just like this we are going to make 1 double crochet in rest of the chains as well. Keep inserting 1 double crochet in every chain. Okay, and now I'm left with 1 chain. In this last chain I'm going to insert 3 double crochets. So in this 1 chain itself we are going to insert 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to work on the other side of the loop. Okay, so now we'll work on the other side of the chain. So let's make here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue till the end, making 1 double crochet in every chain. Now once you're done, make 1 more double crochet in this last chain, insert 1 more double crochet in this same chain, and now we are going to slip stitch in our very first stitch, which is this one. Make a slip stitch. Okay, and now we are going to make 2 chains, chain 2, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. For the whole round we are going to make 1 double crochet in every stitch. Continue making 1 double crochet in every stitch, and we have to continue it for a total of 4 rounds, including the round we are doing right now. So I'm done with this round, and now I'll make a slip stitch on the first double crochet that we made to close the round. And just like this we are going to make 3 more such rounds. And here I'm done. Okay, and now for the 6th round, again I'll make 2 chains, flip your work. Okay, and now I'm going to work in the blow stitch only, and I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So yarn over, work in this loop only, make a double crochet, again work in the blow loop only, in this loop only, Continue making blow double crochets for the whole round. And I'm done with this round, and now I'm going to make a slip stitch in the very first stitch that we made. Chain 1 and cut off the extra yarn. Okay, so now we'll fold it like this, and we are going to sew this yarn inside with the help of our needle. Take your needle and insert this yarn inside the stitches. So for this I'm using 4-ply yarn along with 3.5 mm hook. Okay, so first of all we'll start by making a magic ring. Okay, make a magic ring and make 2 chains. Okay, make 2 chains and insert 2 double crochets in the magic ring. 1 and 2. Again 2 chains, slip stitch in the magic ring. So this is our first petal. Now again 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch in the magic ring. Again 2 chains, 2 double crochets and chain 2, slip stitch in the magic ring. Just like that we have to make 5 petals. Chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch, again chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch. Okay, so here our 5 petals are done. Now cut the extra yarn and take both these threads at the back side only, and now close the magic ring by pulling the string. Okay, and with these 2 threads make a tight knot at the back. And cut off the extra yarn. Now I'm going to use this B7000 glue, and I'm going to pour it a little in the middle and take a pearl and paste it here. Okay, and our flower is ready. And now I've taken this stem for the flower. Okay, this is a flexible craft wire, and now I'm going to wrap it with green yarn. And here I'll apply glue and then wrap the yarn over it. So I'm using glue gun here. You can use any other glue as well. And now with the help of glue, I'll be sticking the stick with the flower. And now we need some magnets. Okay, and I'll be pasting the magnet with the flower. So this is the side of the magnet that sticks, and this is the opposing side that does not stick. Okay, so we have to apply the glue on the opposing side. Once you have applied the glue, now I'm going to paste it on the flower. Just like that, we have to prepare a total of 5 flowers. Okay, and now let's see our pot. On the pot as well, we'll be gluing 2 magnets. Okay, so here and here I'll be applying 2 magnets. After sticking the magnets to the pot as well, now here we'll make a small bow with off-white yarn. Okay, so I'll be making the bow with the help of the glue gun as well. Just apply some glue in the middle. Once you have glued it, cut off the extra yarn and your bow is ready. And here your flowers and your pot both are ready.